is I'm gonna have to eat this food and enjoy it. And then I'm gonna have to let you know what it tastes like because you're not here. And you know me, it's all about the crab. Look at that. How are you gonna miss John? Look. You're missing out. For everyone out there, this is what it is about. Good food, well flavored, full of flavor, full of color, and your mouth is gonna thank you. And I can't stress that enough. It's gonna say yes, thank you. Joan said, soon come, you soon come. You better soon come because you know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna mash up this food in a second. Think it's joke. Don't play. Okay, so there it is. Guys, there it is. Again, this spot is so wicked. Alright, this is what it is about. It's all about the food, the flavor. Cook what you have, eat what you have, enjoy what you have. Just make it the best of everything. Without food, what are you gonna do? Can't do nothing. Guys, don't leave yet. I'm gonna plate this dish. Let you see what it looks like. Guys, the last time I plated my dish, let me tell you, my dish was, it was amazing. So, let's put this over here. I'm gonna plate that bad boy for you guys. Yep, definitely 100%. Okay, I'm gonna start with the rice, guys. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I was supposed to do the salad. So maybe I'll do the salad. Press, 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 press. Guys, you have to press it a little bit, right? So that it takes form. Okay, not too much though. Press, press, press again. There we go. So this is where you form it. See, it's still hot. Yes, yes, Joan. And then I just do that. Wow. Look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? And then I'm going to just put some crab on there. On the sides. So don't forget, guys, this has pumpkin. This has carrots, peppers, zucchini. It has thyme, garlic, onions, sweet pepper of the red, the yellow. Guys, it's just a pot full of flavors. You see all of that goodness in here? When you form your rice and you put your food in there, guys, it's going to be like magic in your mouth. See? This is what it's going to look like, guys. This is what food is about. This is what food needs to be. Presented properly. Tastes so good. Pumpkin, carrots, coconut milk, curry, crab legs, shrimp, peppers, broccoli, zucchini. Guys, what else do you need? You need nothing else. Let me put the leg up there for you. Yo, let me tell you. A drizzle, drizzle, drizzle here and there. Doesn't hurt, you know? Doesn't hurt. And look at that. See, there's gravy here. There's gravy. There's color. Look at that. That is like, oh, man, I can't wait to eat it. Joan, you said you were coming. You definitely missed out. Look at that. Love your mouth. Love your food. Food doesn't have to be something hard to do. Just use your imagination.